Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. What we're going to do today is unbox my new Porter Cable LED work light. You can get these at Costco. They're $57.99 plus tax. These are rated to use 50 watts and the light output is 5,000 lumens. The color temperature is 4,000 Kelvin. So let's take a look inside. Comes with your instructions. See, it's a nice heavy unit. You can fold down the little stand, just undo the knob here to loosen it up. Now these are stated that they're a 300-degree light output. It's nice with the power outlet as well as a USB port on it. And this is rated to 1200 watts. So you're able to fold the little side lights. There's a nice carrying handle. The only thing I wish is it had a longer power cord. Now it is a heavy duty, it's a thick cord, but it's only 1.5 meters long. Again, it's nice and heavy, so you can tell it's well built. And with this too, you can have two different light outputs. One is low and two is high. And it's a nice heavy switch. Doesn't seem cheap. So we'll try this out and see how it works. So as you can see, the light output with this Porter Cable LED work light is amazing. I wish I had this years ago. This is going to come extremely handy when I'm doing my demo of my chimney. As well, it's nice that you can charge your phone and whatnot here and plug in some tools, or if you're charging your drill or so on with the 110 outlet that's built into it. So it's almost acting like a little bit of a power bar in a charging station. Again, this is just a short unboxing video and a little demo of the new LED work light. Again, a big thanks to my mom that got this for me for my birthday, so thank you. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, if you have any tips or tricks with this, make sure you post it below in the comment section. If not, thanks for watching. Take care.